today is Wednesday. My two children are, I don't know what's got into them this morning, but they've just got so much energy. So I've just came for a few minutes in the kitchen, made myself a coffee, making a pan of chocolate. The weather isn't very good today because I was going to take them to the park or for a walk, but this is what the weather's like. It's just all grey. I think it's going to rain, and it has already been raining this morning. I don't know whether it's just done our wellies and waterproofs and take them out anyway to burn off some of this energy. So if you've recently seen my monthly reset video, which I think went up yesterday, I bought this new diary, and I just want to sit down this morning and kind of go over all my plans, get ready for tomorrow, make sure I've got all my goals in check. I've written out my daily checklist of things that I want to do to kind of achieve my goals each day. But I just kind of want to sit with my coffee and my breakfast and fill this all in. But the way these two are, I'm not sure I'm going to get to do that. I also need to put my makeup on. Some days I'm just not in the mood. And today is one of those days. I'm literally sitting by the kitchen sink. So I think I'm going to set some activities up for them and hopefully calm them down a bit. Have you been making videos? Yeah. Okay, I've managed to have my coffee and chill out a bit. The boys are watching home videos of themselves, which they absolutely love to do. So I'm going to quickly put on my makeup. I'm just going to speed through this, but I have been requested to show you what I use, so I will link all of the products in the description box so you can find exactly what I'm using.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had afforded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. Ooh, I was done feeling hopeless, screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of a stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold.
So we've just done quite a bit of shopping. I managed to get 2 new tops, a jumper, a vest and some new trousers, which I'm going to wear this afternoon to a coffee meeting with my friends. And we just sit. Okay, I feel like this is the first chance I've had to properly speak to you. So the boys are in the living room. I've set up a huge car mat and they're just playing with construction vehicles and police. So I thought, right, I'll grab the opportunity to just chat to you and explain what I'm doing this afternoon. So at 3 o'clock, it's now 2:05. So at 3 o'clock, I'm going to meet my friend's sister. She wants to meet with me over coffee and talk to me about a business that she's starting, and she wants me to become a director of it. Now, as you know, I've just quit all of my jobs to be a stay-at-home mum and I'm really enjoying it. But money-wise, the cost of living is just rising and rising and rising. I mean, I trust God and I know that we'll be fine. I thought it was sensible to just go meet with her, hear her out and see kind of what the job entails. So from what I can gather, she wouldn't need me to work full-time at all and it would be on my own schedule. It sounds like all I would need to do is 3 sessions a week of kind of messy play, baby sensory, music and rhyme time, things like that, which I could run locally because I know quite a few of the people who run playgroups around here, my mum being one herself, so I could do messy play and maybe music and rhyme at her toddler group. It's a little bit extra money and really easy on the doorstep kind of work. So I'm gonna meet with her and we'll just find out if it's any good, and if not, I can continue doing what I'm doing and do supply teaching, which has always been the plan. So a few hours ago I thought, let's get out of the house with the boys, and we popped down to our local shops. We went to Next and I got a few things. So I got these gorgeous jeggings. They are like a maroon red colour, and I thought they were just perfect for autumn. So I grabbed them and they cost £24, And then I got this gorgeous jumper. I wish you could feel this. It is so soft. So Ryan demanded I got that purely because of this, but I just loved how soft this was. This was a little bit more pricey. This was £36, but I got that in a size medium. And then I also just got this pink vest because, again, super soft. This was £26. And I don't know if you can see, this is just a crease that's not supposed to be there. But it's got this lovely satin texture on the front and then this wool texture in the back. And I just really like the colour of this. I'm very much a pink girl and I thought this was really nice. I thought this would go really nice with these trousers as well. So yeah, I'm going to go and pop this outfit on now, and then I'm going to play with the boys for a little bit and then go and meet the girls for coffee, and then I'll catch up with you and let you know kind of whether it's something that I'd like to go for or not. We shall see. But I am enjoying being a stay-at-home mum, and that's kind of where my heart is. So as long as I can do this as a little bit extra cash but still be predominantly a stay-at-home mum, I think I'll probably go for it. But if not, it won't be for me. Okay, so this is the top. Excuse the wet patches. I've just ironed it to get rid of those creases, but this is what it looks like, and I really like it. I didn't realise, but it actually goes lower at the back as well, so it's a little bit more flattering. And then this is the jumper. It's so cutie. I really like it. It's got the stars and it does all of the different directions. Go on then, you show. So I got this in a medium, so it is a little bit oversized, but I like them kind of baggy and cozy. This is Ryan's favourite part. I like to tuck it in a little, like that.
I was my enemy, screamed out loud, because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you can't.
Okay, I thought I would catch you up now because when I get home the boys are going to be wanting my attention again and I probably won't get a chance to explain it all to you. But it sounds pretty good, this job. So she said basically it'll be like a 0-hour contract, so I just work as much as I want or as little as I want, and I can set up my own little groups. So in my mum's mother and toddler group, for example, I could run music and rhyme, and that could be my little thing one morning a week if I wish to, and I'd get paid £25 per hour for that. So obviously if I only ran one group a week, it's only £25 a week, but it's still a job and better than nothing. So I'm going to think about it. I'm going to chat with Dan tonight, and then being a director, she said, is just kind of signing off on things, counter-signing and all that kind of stuff, and it's £1 in, so if the company went bust I would just owe £1 to get out of it. So yeah, I'm not sure. We'll see. I'll chat with Dan. But yeah, it was nice meeting her anyway because it's my friend's sister. So it was nice to kind of have that little meeting, and I love a Starbucks, so always a bonus. Anyway, I've just been for a quick little look around the charity shop, but I didn't see anything I wanted today, unfortunately, but that's probably a good thing actually because I don't have much money to be spending anyway. So I'm going to head home now. I've just bought some cupcake mixture, the dead easy one where you just like add an egg and some oil and stuff. And we're going to make cupcakes tonight with the boys because Dan is going to watch the football. So I'm on my own with them. So I'm going to go ahead and do that.
Around every mouth of thorn in my soul, you guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold. I rise from the ashes with pins and patches. We carry on. I rise from the ashes. I heal from your passion. My doubts are gone.
So we've decided to make some
Cupcakes.
but we're actually just using a muffin mix that I got from Home Bargains, and it's got chocolate chips in, and then we're going to decorate it. We've got some blue icing back there and some of these squirty icing, so that's the fun part.
We're both mixing.
You're both mixing, yeah.
Whisking, I mean.
Yeah. The boys are just decorating these. Can you get it out? It's coming out. Thomas has done a tea for Thomas. And Ryan's decided he doesn't want to use any of this icing. You're just using the squirty one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tom, can I have some orange? Yes, I can.
Pins and patches. We carry on.
I'm back in the comfy clothes that I had on this morning so I can keep them other ones nice. We've just finished making cupcakes. We took them along my parents so that we could all enjoy them together, and the boys are now in the bath, so I've just done a quick clean up around the house. I still need to hoover, but I'm going to get them out now because I can hear them starting to squabble and that never ends well in the bath. So I'm gonna go get them out, get their pajamas on, and then I'll probably do a quick hoover round. Now 10 to 7, so Thomas usually goes to bed between 7 and 7:30, so I'll get him some supper and some milk and then read some books and take him up to bed. And then Ryan usually goes about 8:30, 9 o'clock, so we'll have some quality time together. Hopefully once Thomas is asleep, I want to go over reading with him because I noticed that he's forgotten quite a lot of his phase 3 sounds, so we need to go back over them and just do a kind of refresher. So hopefully we'll get some time to do that tonight. Dan's away at the football, like I said, so it's just me and the boys tonight, so just trying to keep on top of everything, so when Dan comes home the house is tidy and stuff. Okay, I'm gonna go because I can hear them fighting.
I don't think that you know, I'm trying hard to show. These days it's hard to tell what's on your mind. Why don't you stop pretend like this is what we planned? I can see the ends coming down.
What is this sound?
E.
E. Okay, let's
If
read
I
it
don't
together.
look back, will you let me get away?
Fate.
Excellent.
If I
This one.
turn my back and walk, will you stay?
E.
I am waiting for you. I am waiting for you. And I know.
Before I go to bed, I'm going to make myself a cup of tea, and I did not realise that a kettle wasn't a main thing in other countries. Like, I just thought this was standard and that everybody had one of these, but I'm literally going to talk you through how I make a cup of tea and how most of us British people make a cup of tea. It's really very, very simple. I've seen people on TikTok trying to explain it, and it's like ridiculous the way they make a cup of tea. It's like funny. It's funny to me, but yeah, I'm just going to show you how we make a cup of tea here in England. So we have these things called kettles, in case you don't know what one is. You put your water in and then you just turn it on, and all it does is boils the water to boiling point. And then I'm going to have my cute little pumpkin cup. I'm just going to keep that turned off a minute while I talk you through this bit. But the tea bags that I use is just English breakfast tea. And there's lots of different brands in the UK of tea. This one is Tetley's, but you can get all different kinds and they all taste pretty similar. But Tetley's is one of my preferences. I'll just pop this back on. So this is what Tetley's looks like. It comes in a bag like this. So you can see now the water is boiling. When the water's boiling, you literally just pour it on top of the tea bag. And then you leave some room for your milk. So I only like a little bit of milk. Some people like a lot of milk. So obviously you put the water up to kind of the level that you would like to add milk in. Sorry that the lighting's so bad. It is quite late now. It's 20 to 10 at night. So I'm having to use these awful kitchen lights, which I really need to change. So I just let that brew for a few seconds, probably about 20 seconds. And then I just add a little splash of milk, but like I say, you can add as much as you want. This is kind of the typical colour, but I know some people who like it really milky. And the longer you leave the tea bag in as well, the stronger it gets. So Dad likes it really strong, which we call a builder's tea in this part of the country. And I just like it kind of medium. So then you just squeeze out the tea bag, pop it on there, and there you go, Bob's your uncle cup of tea. Some people like to add sugar. I don't like it sweet. I don't know anyone who has more than 2 sugars. Usually it's 1 or 2. But yeah, that's it. A perfect little cup of tea. But yeah, I seriously couldn't believe that like a kettle isn't a normal thing in everybody's house. I just thought that was like, I don't know, same as like an oven, like you have a kettle. But yeah, so I'm going to go enjoy this cup of tea now, have some chocolate biscuits. I'll show you my favourites. So these are my absolute favourite biscuits. They are McVitie's chocolate digestives, and I like them in the dark chocolate. I'm going to have 2 of these and a cup of tea, and then I'll brush my teeth, take my makeup off and go to bed. So I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. Dan's still not home. Bye.
You watch me under the light, so keep me in your sight, 'cause I